Today in this video I'm going to share some information about predefined links in Froala Editor. So as you can see that I have opened JSFiddle on my desktop, and these are the files which needed to be insert under resources, and this one is HTML area, this one is CSS, and this one is JavaScript. Now if you will click on this link list option, then you will get a pop-up. The first one is open link, the second one is style, third one is edit link, and the fourth one is unlink. So if you will click on this open link, then you will be redirected to the Froala website page. And if you will click second button, that is style, then you can give style to your link green, and the second one is thick. And this is the button where you can edit the URL. So you can insert Google link, or you can insert Facebook link and click on update. And now you have to click on open link. So this is the page of Google, and the last option is unlink. So now you can see the link is not there anymore. So in this way you can use this option in your project, and you can use the same script. So that is all about it, and thanks a lot for watching this video.